Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate Twilio SMS in no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize and integrate Twilio SMS in no-code apps, you'll first need to create a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Here, you will find your account ID and auth token. These keys are essential for authorizing your app with Twilio. Next, purchase a Twilio phone number. This number will be used to send and receive SMS messages. In the console, click on Phone Numbers and then select Buy a Number. Choose a number that fits your requirements and click Buy. Now, move to your no-code platform of choice. Open the app where you want to integrate Twilio SMS. Look for the option to connect external services or APIs. This option is often labeled as integrations or API connections. Select Twilio from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to enter your Twilio account ID and auth token. Copy and paste these credentials from the Twilio console into the respective fields. Once entered, test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, you can begin creating workflows to send SMS messages. Look for a feature labeled Actions or Triggers in your no-code platform. Select the action to send an SMS message. In the action settings, enter the Twilio phone number you purchased. Specify the recipient's phone number as well. Craft the message you want to send. Ensure the message complies with SMS guidelines to avoid delivery issues. Save your settings and test the integration with a sample message. If everything works as expected, your Twilio SMS integration is successfully authorized. You can now expand the functionality by adding more triggers or actions as needed. Monitor your Twilio dashboard for insights on message delivery and usage. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Twilio SMS in your no-code app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.